Hello everyone, let's get ready for our chair workout. Rock and tap, ready, let's go. Rock and tap, rock and tap, rock and tap. Give me 4 more, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's march, march and march. March, rock and tap, let's go. Rock and tap, rock and tap. 4 more, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's march, 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 march. Give me 8 more marches, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Plant your feet and push it forward. Let's push. Push. If you want to tap your heels or your toes, go right ahead. Keep going. That's 4. And 3, 2, 1. Take it up. Take it up. Up, up. Take it up, up, up. You got it. Take it up and up, up. March it out and clap your hands. Let's clap, clap and clap, clap, clap. Keep going. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's march and march. March, march. Give me 8 more marches. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Side tap. Ready? Let's go. Tap side, side, and move your arms. Side, side, move your arms. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Let's double up with these. Let's go. Doubles, 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 doubles. You got it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's march, march, and march, march. Give me 8 more marches. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Keep up the great work. Follow, like, subscribe, share. I'm coming back with more chair workouts just for you. Thank you so much. I'm T. Will and I'm out.